We're going to take this data and we're going to make what we call a stem and leaf diagram. Now, the last digit of our numbers will always be the leaves of our stem and leaf, and so what remains will be our stem. So with the number 139, the 9 will be a leaf and the 13 will be the stem. We always want to look at what our smallest number is and what our largest number is. So in this stream of numbers, it looks like 139 is the smallest and 201 is the largest. So my smallest stem is 13 and my largest stem is 20. So I'm going to write my stems first. All right, now, normally I would draw a line now in back of my stems, but since I'm in a Word document, that's sort of hard to do. So instead, instead, I'll just kind of use this this little separation symbol on the keyboard. All right, now 139, we are now going to represent by putting the leaf of 139 behind the 13, just like so. 153 will do the same thing. Now I'll make my little line and then I'll put the 3. 179, same thing. I'll make my line and then I'll put the 9. 201, we'll go behind the 20, make my line, and a 1. 163, I'll make my line and then put the 3. Now 168 is the first number we've had where we've now going to put this behind the stem of 16. And we've already got a 3 there, so we just put it behind that 3. Just the leaf, not the rest of it. All right, so 157, again, we've already got 153 there, but it's the same stem, so we'll just put the leaf of 7 behind it. 170, we will put behind this 9. We have a 172, so we will put that behind here. And then 165, we'll go there. 145, put my little line and the 5. 155, we'll put our leaf of 5 back here. 161, and then finally 151. Now we have 2 stems that have nothing behind them. I am going to go ahead and put the little line, because really the line should be going straight all the way down without any breaks in between, and I just can't draw that in Word. All right. We do not want to put zeros behind those numbers, those stems that don't have any numbers behind them, because that would represent 180 and 190, which we don't have. So, and it's very important that we include these 2 stems. So that kind of shows that there is a gap in the data between the 170s and that 201. So we must have those empty places there. Now, we are not quite done with our stem and leaf. In our traditional stem and leaf, we want for the leaves to be in order. And notice that we're okay with these leaves here since there's only 1 of each. But when we get to 15, these leaves are not in order. So we really want 1, 3, 5, 7. So I'm just going to retype that. 1, 3, 5, 7. And at 16, I really want 1, 3, 5, 8. Just putting these in order. And then at 17, I really want 0, 2, 9. And now my stem and leaf is complete.